Hey, what's going on? My friend James Bill here, and I'm back with another attraction marketing tips. This is part three, and today we're going to go into how to have people flooding your inbox, friend requesting you not having to chase them. Let's dive into it. Okay, we're going to go to some of the Make Money Online groups, and we're going to basically go into the group. And what I like to do is find, uh, let's say, the work at home moms and dads. What I like to do is find the people that recently joined the group. Okay, so you go here to the side and you click on members. Okay, that's the admins. And here's the friends, members with things in common, members living in Lake Charles, Louisiana. New to the group. This is what you want. You want to basically go here. Now, what you're going to do, you hover over their name, and you're going to see either add friend. And this is what you want. You don't want to hit the add friend button. Okay, you don't want to go around that spamming and just friending people you don't even know. But what you can do is you hit the follow button. Okay, you go ahead and hit the follow button, and you can do that as many times as you want. I usually do it anywhere from 10 to 20 times a day. And you see somebody in here, you look like somebody you wouldn't mind being friends with. This particular person don't offer that on their page. Everybody's not set up for that. And by the way, you need to go back and be sure that your follow enable button is on so people can follow you. Okay, so I already done most of mine today, so I'm gonna get out of this. But this is how you want to go ahead and follow these people, and what's going to happen? They're going to end up following you back, and a lot of them will ask for a friend request on Facebook. And this is how you get your inbox flooding with prospects, guys. Hope this has been some value to you. Thank you. God bless.